Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event is still a week away. A Samsung Unpacked trailer teases exactly which devices will be arriving at August 5 event. First time ever it will be online only. Here is the list of the devices. We've already seen most of these devices in variety of leaked pictures, but today we're gonna take our first look at the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2. A Twitter user posted an image that shows the main screen of the foldable, confirming its design and naming. We can see the original Fold's large notch in the top right corner has been replaced with punch hole. It's still not clear how big the cutout is, but it appears to be housing a single camera only. If you look closely at the picture on the hand, you will notice the screen cutout is positioned pretty much where Ice Universe expected it last month, which initially seemed peculiar, but gradually it is growing on us. This picture also confirms Samsung's revised branding for the Galaxy Fold follow-up. As I told you guys earlier, Samsung is grouping its folding devices into Z category, thus improving the brand consistency of the company's foldable portfolio. Adding the 5G level at the end of the Galaxy Z Fold 2 moniker further confirms that it will be Snapdragon 865 Plus powered, especially considering the fact that 4G LTE only model is not in the pipeline at all according to the leaks. Now, just a few hours after that, here's the leaked render images of the Galaxy Z Fold 2 thanks to My Smart Price. We can see similar color variants like the Galaxy Note 20, the Mystic Bronze and the Mystic Black. I don't have to tell you that the camera model look exactly like the Note 20. The 12 plus 12 plus 16 megapixel triple rear facing camera system of the last year's Galaxy Fold will be upgraded to 12 plus 12 plus 64 megapixel setup, including an improved main sensor and a much better telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. Then the front display bezel, as visible, is really thin and it looks quite modern. The size will grow to 6.23 inches from 4.3 inches and will have a similar 10 megapixel punch hole style camera like on the inside. That means the outside screen will be fully day-to-day usable like a normal smartphone, but unlike the original Fold. Circling back to the primary screen, I should point out that the size is also rumored to rise from 7.3 inches to 7.7 inches with 120Hz refresh rate technology. That's the best part. The Galaxy Z Fold 2 will come with 12GB memory and 256GB of storage space as standard. Rumors suggesting that it will cost you around $2,000 in US. I think that's kinda okay considering the upgrades and inclusion of 5G. If you think it's expensive, even the Galaxy Note 20 lineup will be quite expensive. The Note 20 4G and the Note 20 5G will cost €50 less than the previously expected at €949 and €1,049 respectively. The same applies to the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5, which may retail at €1,299 instead of €1,349. Now on a YouTube channel, the Mobile Central has posted a full unboxing video of the Galaxy Watch 3 a week ahead of the official announcement. The link will be provided in the description. You can watch it. The high quality unboxing video shows the whole Galaxy Watch 3 from as many angles as possible. According to him, the 41mm Mystic Bronze version of the Galaxy Watch 3 was sold by retailer in the UAE. The host of the channel also compares the design and the size of the smartwatch with the Apple Watch Series 4, Galaxy S3 Frontier Edition, and the Galaxy Watch. The initial impression video also claims the build quality of the Galaxy Watch 3 is relatively better than the original Galaxy Watch. Yes, the rotating bezel is back and it feels very tactile according to him. He also gave us a good software tour. You can watch the video. Now, if you like this episode and quality presentation, please hit the like button. Please do subscribe or watch my other videos. Bye and take care.